Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get my dogs to stand still. Do you hear that sound? Look, so still. Do you hear the owl? I'm sorry, my dogs are kind of loud, and when I walk, I'm so loud that I drown out the owl. But I've been trying to get closer and figure out where it is. And I think it's back in here somewhere. I'm going to try and go a bit closer. It's the same owl that I filmed the other day. I actually think it's the same, not just the same species, but the same owl. Oh, it moved. Yeah, it's right in here. Hear it. And the reason why I think it's the same owl is because it's the only one I've heard singing like the last few nights. Usually I can hear like 2, 3, maybe 4 sometimes in different parts of the village. But this year I've only heard one, and it's over here. So that's why I think it's the same one that I filmed the other day. Actually, I think it's a week ago or something. And this is over a kilometer from my house, and I can hear it clearly at my house. Some tracks from a hare. That's probably a fox. Could be a deer. That's hare tracks. But now you know what that owl sounds like. Someone's getting bored. Sometimes if I have copied it a little bit, it comes a bit closer. But I tried that, I think it was 2 nights ago, and it didn't work. Just stay put in there. And it's been in approximately this area over here, like in here. So yeah. Anyway, it's getting cold, so I'm gonna keep walking because we've been out for a bit and I'm cold. I just recently filmed the deers, and I just got dressed and went out. And I keep getting a ton of messages. I don't know if that comes through in the sound or not, but I just wanted you to hear the owl.